Okay, guys, let's look at this project that we've got to do. This is a review of some things that we did with probability. And I'm going to just kind of hit some of the high points, and then you're going to finish this today. So this is what you'll be doing today. But you're creating a mosaic stepping stone as a gift for your auntie. You're pulling pieces of colored tile out of a wooden box tiled random leftovers to use for this project. The table below shows the number of tile pieces, each color, that are in the box. So first, part one. You randomly select tile pieces from the wooden box. How many pieces of tile are there in the box? Well, right here, you're going to add up all of these pieces and then tell me how many pieces are in the box. So, we have 10 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. So we have a total of 40 pieces in the box. So we got 40 pieces right here. Complete the probability model for pulling the pieces from the box. So remember, probability is what I want over all I have. All right, so of the blue tiles, it's 10 out of 40, which would be 1/4. Okay? And then you'll finish those that way. What is the probability you'll pull out a green or a purple piece of tile? So here, what do I want? I want green or purple out of all tiles. There are 3 green pieces. There are 3 green ones. And there are 9 purple. So that is, and then I'm going to let you tell me the probability. We'll add those on the top, and then of course you'll use your all that we got up here. What is the probability that you pull out a pink, blue, or yellow piece? So again, what do I want? I want pink, blue, or yellow out of all the tiles. So I have 6 pink, 10 blue, and 12 yellow. So here again, you're going to add these up. And then your all, of course, this is your all right here. Okay? All right. Part 2. Once you finish assembling the pieces within your project, you need to determine the color of pairs you will use to paint the sides and the back of the stepping stones. You will flip a coin to decide if you are going to use yellow or blue for the back. You assign heads to yellow and tails to blue. You put green, yellow, blue, and purple pieces of tile in the box and pull one out to determine which color paint sides of the project. Use a tree diagram to determine the possible outcomes for flipping a coin and randomly picking the pieces of tile from the box. Okay, so a tree diagram. So what are we doing? We are flipping a coin. And we are pulling pieces. I gotta get enough room right here, sorry. I don't bring it down far enough. Coin. Pieces. All right, so Wait a minute. Sorry. Go back. Fix this. All right, so we're only going to do this once. So here's what we got. Sorry. This should be our coin right here. On our coin, we have the possibility of getting heads or tails. And of course, it told us that heads is assigned to yellow and tails is assigned to blue. So we'll put blue here. Blue here and yellow here. Sorry. All right, now, so then we have to show, if we flip heads, what are the colors we could get? And we've got yellow, green, blue, purple. Yellow, green, blue, purple. So we've got 4. So if I toss heads, I then could pull a yellow, a green, a blue, or a purple. If I toss tails, I then could pull a yellow, a green, a blue, or a purple. And that's our, and then from there, we want to show those combinations and go ahead and do. So we could have heads, yellow, heads, green, heads, blue, heads, purple, tails, yellow, tails, green, tails, blue, or tails, purple. How many possible outcomes are there? They're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What events make up randomly choosing the same color for the sides? All right, so getting the same color twice. So heads is yellow. So let's come right over here and write it again. So this would be yellow, 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 green, yellow, blue, yellow, purple. And this would be blue, yellow, blue, green, blue, blue, and blue, purple. So right here we've got a yellow, yellow, and a blue, blue. So we're just going to put yellow, yellow, blue, blue. What is the probability of choosing the same color? That's going to be 2 out of 8, just 1/4. You finish the project and give the leftover tile pieces to a friend. You have all the green pieces, 6 of the yellow pieces, and 2 of the blue pieces left. Determine if the likelihood is likely, unlikely, neither likely, or impossible. All right, so all of the green pieces would be 3. 6 yellow, so let's just write it right here. I'm gonna put it right up here. We've got green is 3, yellow is 6, blue is 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a total of 11 pieces. All right, what is the likelihood that your friend would choose a yellow piece first? So again, we're going to write our probability. What I want yellow out of all. So that's 6 out of 11. Now to do the likelihood, we want to 0.56, which would be 56%. I'm sorry, 55. Actually, look right. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. That's 0.5454 repeating. So 0.545. You see that? So this 5 makes that 4 of 5. Which is 55%. Okay? And then the likelihood of that would be a little more than half, but we would say that would be likely. What is the likelihood your friend would choose a blue piece first? And so you're going to do that for all of these. And I answer choice E. I'm going to give you as a bonus. And keep in mind, it says it does not replace it. So when you set up your bridge map on this one, they're going to choose a yellow piece first, which would be yellow out of all the pieces. Doesn't replace it, and then choose a yellow piece again out of all the pieces. So what's going to happen on this one is that number right there is not going to be the same. We'll do the same thing. We're still going to multiply those. Remember, when we have multiple events, we multiply. So these are not the same, because on here, the total number of yellow, the number of pieces is going to be 11. But what's this going to be if you don't replace that one that you pull out? And then yellows will be here. And this number here will be different than this number because you're not putting that yellow one back. So see what you can do with that one. This one is bonus. Does not mean you don't have to try it. It just means that it won't be right if you miss it. Okay? So there shouldn't be any problems with getting that done. Have a great day and be perfect.